Okay, we're looking at coffee futures, and you're looking at history going back to 1971, 1972. You can say had a big rally in the 70s, came down. Another big rally here in the 90s, came down. Another big rally here in the 2000s, we came down. Almost a regular up and down motion. Now, the interesting thing from a Gann perspective is this one by one, the 45-degree line gave us a low in November of 2013. We bounced off of the line, rallied, came back, retested the same line in January of 2016. And then just now we rallied and came back and we're forming a higher low in December of 2016. Uh, why do we believe that? Because a big reason is the one by one line. Another reason is because of the Saturn square Neptune, heliocentric. This is an important aspect. You can see it sold off at the very moment that it was finding support on the one by one. This aspect came due, which indicated a reversal in trend, and we did bounce off of it. I don't think that rally is over. And here's the reason why. If you look at Saturn, the planetary line of Saturn, heliocentric, you'll see that it just bounced December of 2016, January of 2017. It bounced off this line. It's getting ready to go back up again. So you ignore the Gann lines at your peril, the planetary lines, the one by one line, and the aspects which give you both the timing and the price for the turn. So time and price, that's what it's all about with Gann. So keep an eye on coffee. I do believe over the next few years coffee is going to go up dramatically. I think we're starting a new secular uptrend, and you can see this based on the Gann. Remember, Gann is based on science. It's not based on the opinion of a talking head in the media. It's based on science.